Motivation fades. Standards don't. If your life runs on motivation, your results will be random. Motivation is a feeling. Standards are a decision. That's the whole difference. Here's when motivation fails. When you're tired. When you're stressed. When life is busy. When nobody is watching. That's why people start strong and then drift. Standards win because standards don't ask how you feel. Standards tell you what to do. I use a simple daily standard. Obey, build, lead. Obey. This means I do the hard thing first. I follow the plan, not the mood. Build. This means I create something that compounds. A skill, a piece of content, a system, anything that makes tomorrow easier. Lead. This means I apply what I'm learning through action. I help someone. I share value. I lead myself. The truth is, your future doesn't need more motivation. Your future needs a standard. Let's clear up another myth. Disciplined people don't feel disciplined every day. The fact is, they obey standards until discipline becomes normal. Standards create identity. Identity creates outcomes. From now on, instead of relying on your feelings, start asking yourself, what's the standard? Here are 3 simple steps. 1. Write your standard for tomorrow in 1 sentence. 2. Do the hard thing first. 3. Track it. Score your day. Scoreboards beat 5s. Track it or you'll drift. If you want the full, simple structure, I put it into a free kit. It's called the OBL Quick Start Kit. Link is below. Start small, obey the standard, build momentum, lead yourself. Obey, build, lead. Execution turns principles into wealth.